The relative maximum of the slope of the curve f is at x equal what value? Okay, we have to be careful that the question is not asking us to find the relative maximum of the f. Instead, it is asking us the relative maximum of the slope of the curve f. So maximum of slope of the curve f. What's the slope of the f? That's f prime of x. Remember from the first derivative test, in order to find maximum of f, what we have to do is we have to find the derivative of f, set that equal to 0, find the critical point, and do the first derivative test, right? Let's say critical points are a and b. So if f prime changes from positive to negative or negative to positive, then we know that f increases, decreases, decreases, increases. And this is a relative maximum of f, this is a relative minimum of f. So in order to find maximum of f prime, we have to find the derivative of this function. And derivative of this is the second derivative, f double prime. So let's find the second derivative of f. F prime of x is equal to 12x cubed minus 12x squared. F double prime of x is equal to 36x squared minus 24x. And set that is equal to 0, and we have to find the value of x where second derivative is equal to 0. Those x values are critical points of f prime of x. So let's factor this. 12x, that's 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is 0 or x is 2 over 3. Now we're going to do the first derivative test. We have a 0 here, we have a 2 over 3 here. So in the first interval, f double prime is positive or negative. If we substitute negative 1 for x, negative 1, that's negative times negative. So that's positive. So positive here. If we substitute maybe 1/3, any number between 0 and 2/3, 1/3 here, 1/3 here. So 12 times 1/3, that's positive. This is 1 minus 2, that's a negative, right? So positive times negative, that's negative. Lastly, if we substitute maybe 1, any number greater than 2/3, 1, then this is positive. 3 minus 2, that's positive. So positive times a positive, that's positive. So f double prime changes from positive to negative and negative to positive. Then we know that graph of f prime increases, then decreases, decreases, then increases. So the relative maximum of f prime, which is the slope of f, occurs when x is equal to 0.